Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit your header in WordPress. So firstly open your browser and log into your wordpress.com, then go to your dashboard, and the best way for you to edit your header is just simply go over to appearance and click on editor. Now after you are in your editor mode, as you can see, this is the header that you can edit. So what can you do over here? You can do a lot of things, like you can change the alignment of the menus over here just by moving it from its place to another place like this. You can also change the very names of your menus from the editor panel itself. You can also change the positioning in the menu field with this arrow over here like this. Or if you want to add a drop down link, you can also add that by clicking on the add sub menu icon over here. Just by clicking that, then just simply add your link over here and a new drop down link will be added. Or if you want to add a simple generic link, you can click on link over here and then you can just simply paste your link, and you can also allow it to open in a new tab by just simply enabling this option over here. You can also change the fonts or can make your letters more bold. You can also add more elements over here by clicking on add block. Then you can add more elements like logos, social media links, search panel, something like this. Now you can also change things over here as well, like just by clicking on this blank space over here, you can upload a logo for your website just like that. You can also change the name of your website right over here. You can also add new buttons or widgets in your header just by hovering and clicking on this blue plus icon over here, and you can add a whole lot of things as you can see over here. And if you want to see more, just simply click on browse all and you will have all the options that you can add over here. Now if you want to change the coloring or size of anything in the header, you can do this from the style menu over here. You can change the color of the text. You can change the background color. You can also change the menu and sub menu option and the outline box color as well. After that, you can also change the padding for your header in this panel as well. You can also make borders. And if you want to change the typography and the font color, you can just simply click on the inside box and you can do the same over here. Now you can change the color over here, and for typography and style, just simply go to the styles panel over here, and over here you will have the option to change typography for your links, headings and buttons. You can also change the individual colors of the buttons. You can also change the colors over here, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.